Hello, my friends. We are here in Estrella, Arizona. This is part of Goodyear, Arizona. Where we are right now, we're about 10 minutes from spring training arena for baseball. Those of you who know me well might be surprised to find out that I think that's really cool and I enjoy it a heck of a lot. And we're about 20 minutes from the Rubios, which those of you who know me well knows I'm very excited about that. So today, I would like to talk to you about enclosures. Now, enclosures is a tool that was mostly used by gypsy jazz players, but it's adopted by jazz players of all types and rock players. So the idea is, first of all, you're targeting chord tones. So we're going to use the A chord, and I'm just singing the A bar chord right here in 5th position. So I'm going to use 5th fret on the 1st string, 5th fret on the 2nd string, 6th fret on the 3rd string, and 7th fret on the 4th string. Those are my chord tones that I'm going to target. Now with enclosures, you target your chord tone by a half step, 1/2 step higher and 1/2 step lower. If I do 16th notes, I hit it twice, and I can do it on each string. Okay, so what I'm using it for is triplets. So it'll go like this. I end with the chord tone and walk up to it again. Let me play that again. And I use it in a piece called Jazz Shop Blues, and it goes like this.